Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is another mystery seed video. You guys, I want to say thank you to those who've been with me from the beginning trying to help me figure out what this could be. Comment down below if you have an idea what this could be now that it's starting to flower. I would really appreciate your help, guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my updates. For more videos like this, click here.